Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running Selenium tests in headless mode allows you to execute your tests without opening a browser window, making it faster and more efficient. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to run Selenium tests in headless mode using Python and Chrome WebDriver. Step 1. Install necessary libraries. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You will also need to install the Selenium library and Chrome WebDriver. You can install them using pip. Step 2. Write your Selenium test script. Create a Python script with your Selenium test code. Here is an example test script that opens Google, searches for Selenium, and prints the page title. In this script, we create a Chrome WebDriver instance with headless mode enabled using the -headless argument. We then navigate to Google, search for Selenium, and print the page title. Step 3. Run your Selenium test in headless mode. Save your Python script and run it from the command line. Make sure you have Chrome installed on your system. Your Selenium test will run in headless mode, and you will see the page title printed to the console without opening a browser window. That's it. You now know how to run Selenium tests in headless mode using Python and Chrome WebDriver. This method is very useful for running automated tests in environments where displaying a browser window is not necessary.